Hey guys, Sliced Bread here, and today I'm going to be showing you my semi-automatic pistol made out of Lego. The first semi-automatic pistol was made in 1892 and was called the Salvatore Dormus. Really? That's an actual name for a gun? Anyway, it wasn't until the later 1890s and early 1900s that semi-automatic pistols caught on in militaries around the world. During both World Wars, semi-automatic pistols were used extensively by most nations. During the Cold War, one of the most famous pistols ever was created, the Glock in 1963. Other than that, not many significant advances happened for semi-automatic pistols. My Lego pistol has a working trigger and a hammer that moves in sync with the trigger. This is thanks to a nifty mechanism in the gun. Now we're going to fire it. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.